Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, what do I have here? Got myself some more bullion. Alright, excited about it. Always excited to get silver in the mail, right? Who isn't? Yeah, I'm pretty happy about it. This is one of the bullion dealers that are actually still making some bullion, kind of making to order. I know I send my check in, they do the usual wait for the check to clear, and that day that it clears, they mail it out, and I get it like 1 or 2 days later. So they've had no problem meeting their orders. I know some of the other online bullion dealers, I'm talking about actual mints as opposed to JM Bullion or an Atmex or someone, but the actual online bullion dealers, mints, some of them have some extreme waits. I've heard of stories of Scottsdale Mint taking months to send out their stuff. And this mint, they get it out right away. So I've been pretty happy. What is it? Who is it? Why don't we go ahead and take a look? Alright, let's cut this thing open. And those of you who watch my channel will think these look very familiar because there wasn't a video too long ago on it where I had the same thing. I liked them so much I bought some more. Get this open and look inside. See that it's well packaged. Just put that over there. Nice. I like when they give you the pull tabs instead of trying to fight to get something like this through there. It's always tough. Cut it with these dull scissors is always tough. But when they have the nice little pull tab on there, it makes it a lot easier. As long as it doesn't rip halfway through. That looked pretty good. So let's tear it off here. Tear it off here. Open it up. Take a little peek down inside there. Ooh, I see shiny. Where'd it go? Way down yonder. Alright, let's take a look. Oh yeah. Got myself some more Yeager poured silver. Ooh. Let me cut this plastic off because I want to hold this silver. I don't want plastic to be in between. Let's get that one out of there. Let's get that one out of there. Let's get this one out of here. Alright, so there we go. 3 of those, right? Let's zoom in a little bit. Flip this one around. There you go. 3 100-gram bars. So most of you know I've been trying to collect some fractional silver bars. Fractional in the sense of fractional when related to a kilo. Because this by itself wouldn't necessarily be fractional, but if I'm trying to get a kilo bar, this would be 1/10 of a kilo, right? 100 grams. Kilo is 1,000 grams. So what I'm interested to see is what the serial numbers are on these, because these are serialized. And I bought some a few weeks ago, well, more like a month ago. And let's see. Ooh, 922, 921, and 923. Okay. So the period in between, let's move these over here. What did I buy last time? Anybody remember? Anybody watch my video to see? Last time, what were the serial numbers? We had a pretty cool one in there. We had 910, 911, which I think is a pretty cool serial number, and 912. So in between my orders, there was what, 9 or 10 of them made? Because I got 912 and then I got 921. So 9 of them in between. Alright, so other people are ordering them, but there was a few weeks at least in between. So Yeager's has a lot of different products for sale. And you can buy off of eBay as well. So who knows who's ordering directly from the mint like I am. But again, these guys have been fast to turn this stuff around. But yeah, I got 3 new bars, all 100 grams. So that's interesting though. These are backwards, so if I take this one and I flip them up and over, they stamped them differently on these other ones that I got. It kind of shows you that it's all done by hand probably. But look at these loaves, huh? These things awesome or what? I love these loaves. And take my original 3, take 2 more, and I take 2 more, or 1 more. And what do I have? I have a stack of bars. Is that awesome or what? Let's take a look. Gotta look at it from the side, right? Oh, look at that. Getting there, right? If I can get 4 more, I'll have a nice stack of 10. Ooh, look at that stack of bars. Is that cool or what? Give us some perspective here. All right. Pretty nice, huh? Gotta love a stack of 100-gram silver bars. 4 more. I'll have a kilo. That's pretty cool, huh? Is that a nice stack of bars or what? Pretty awesome. Can I have to go give Mrs. TB a shout and say, hey, Mrs. TB, check these out. Are these cool or what? And she is going to say, uh-huh. I like those. Yeah, so there we go, huh? Got it back in the holder. 100-gram stacked bars, 6 of them. Looking pretty cool, huh? I like it for sure. So on the way to a kilo. Pretty awesome. Got some pretty significant loaves there. Look at those things. Look at that chunky loaf. Is that thing cool or what? I think it's pretty cool. 921. Wonder how long before they break into the 4 digits. All right. So, yep, pretty cool. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I would really appreciate it as well if you would hit that like button. That would really help me out a lot. Helps with YouTube and whether or not they recommend your video. If you got number of likes on there, they assume that if you like it, then somebody else will as well. So anything you can do to help out with that, I would really appreciate it. So that's it for now. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.